Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up two-step verification on Telegram just to safeguard your account from being compromised. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to set it up. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Telegram app from your phone, then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings. Tap on it, then this will take you down to the settings. Then from there scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then from there, on the third option, tap on two-step verification. So two-step verification is another simple way of adding additional password just to safeguard your account from being compromised. So you can set a password that will be required when you log in on a new device, in additional to the code you get through the SMS. So now to set this up, you're going to have to tap on set additional password. So you input the password right here. Then you enter the password, then you create the password. So whenever you want to log into your account using another new device, this password will be required after you receive the Telegram code, just to confirm that you were the one that want to log in. Then you also have to set up this password just for you to be able to log into your account. So that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to add additional password and how to set up two-step verification, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.